Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Can Finance Tech. In previous section of our video we have read about layout tab. So we'll continue with that. In that tab we have left two group, paragraph group and arrange group. So we'll continue with that and complete that group today. So let us first open our MS Word. Your MS Word have been open. Now we have completed page setup group in previous section of our video, so we'll go with paragraph and arrange group. So indent and spacing, there are two things in paragraph group. We have used this both in home tab also. Here you can see this is indent, decrease indent and increase indent, and here it is paragraph or line spacing. So the work are same. So but here you can use it for a paragraph. For example, if you want to increase the left indent, then you can select the first paragraph and you can increase or decrease the indent. Same way you can increase or decrease the right indent. You can see that the cursor here will be increased whenever you will increase the indent, and same way you can decrease the indent. So this is the use of indent. Now spacing, before or after. For example, we'll select this second paragraph. If you want to increase this, you can increase it, the before spacing of this paragraph, and also you can decrease it from here only. Same way, if you want to increase or decrease the after spacing of this paragraph, you can increase from here or you can decrease it from here. So this was to use a paragraph group. In next we will go to arrange group. You can see that some of the option here is not highlight. To highlight it, you have to first select any object, and for that you can use shape also and picture also. Here at downside you can see here it is a shape. Whenever you will click an object, this whole things will be highlighted. In format tab also you can see this arrange group, but today we'll go to this layout tab and we'll complete this arrange group. So position, you can change the position of your object. You can do it in the left with square text wrapping or middle or right, wherever you want to change this position you can go through by this. And wrap text, you can wrap the text with in line with text or behind text, in front of text, whatever you want, you can do it from here. Bring forward and send backward. For example, if you want to make this object forward and the text back, then you can select it from here. For example, there is bring in front of text. Whenever you will click it, the shape will be up of the text. You can see the text haven't gone back and the shape or the object have come forward. Same way you can send it to back behind the text, it will move back. Selection pen, you can use to hide or show the object present in your document. For example, here is a rectangle which is named as rectangle 1. If you want to hide it, you can hide it from here. If you want to hide all the object, you can simply click here and you can simply select show all to show all the objects present on your text document. So we are going to hide it. If you click it, the rectangle will be hide from your text document, and again if you want to reappear it, just select it, the rectangle will come again. So this was the use of selection pen. Align, same way you can align it to the middle, to the center, or wherever you want to align the object. Group, this option is unhighlight. To highlight it, first you have to select two objects. We can see that there is only one object, so from insert shape we'll make a second object. Here is the second object. Now we'll go to layout tab. You can see that now also it is not highlight. To highlight it, first select a shape, and again with a control or shift you can select the other shape also. Now you can see that this group have been highlighted. Now you can group both objects to one. Now you can see that the both objects which were different now have been grouped in one, and you can move it at once. So this is the use of group. Same way you can ungroup it to make it as earlier, and you can move it by part. So this was the use of group. You can easily group 2 objects or 3 objects or how many objects you want to group by one object. Second and the third and the last of the arrange group is rotate. You can rotate your image by using this. For example, we will select a rectangle and we will rotate it. For example, rotate right 90 degree, left 90 degree, flip vertical or horizontal. You can rotate your object by using this. So this was overall all the things which is present in layout tab. If you have any problem in this or you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section box and I will work on it and make your doubt clear. And those who want this video in Hindi, we will remake this video in Hindi also and post it on our YouTube channel. So the viewers who want it in Hindi, you can see it in Hindi also in our YouTube channel. So thank you. Stay healthy and stay safe, and please like it, subscribe it and share it so that more students or more people can see it and enhance their skill. So thank you.